Welcome, adventurers. So what we're doing is we're going to put a plug in the tire of Valiente here. And of course, as those who don't know, Valiente is our Honda CTX 700. It's a 2018, right, Jay? Yeah. Come on. No need you staying in the Jeep. Come on, kiddo. Alright, so what we're going to have to do first is put some air in this tire. Ready? Of course you're ready. Alright. At this point, the video is probably going to be sped up so we don't take so long on this. Adventures. Alright, adventurers, if you will, Jay, turn that camera towards facing more. There you go. There you go. Sorry about that. We have aired it up enough to find our air leak is right there. Yep, right there. So we're going to fix that with, again, using tire plugs. Look, be a cameraman for me. You're now a cameraman. I know these are not the best things to use. You can get close. It's fine. You can switch the Jeep off real quick. Take the camera with you. Switch the Jeep off. Oh, this. You got this door for way over there, man. You need it right there, right there ish. It's a Hero 4, so I usually just set the angle. It's fine. I usually just set the angle and hope it records something nice. But and that's kind of what I'm doing now, is just setting the angle, hoping it's right. Putting you behind the 9, which I know you've never used the 9 before. Yeah, the back screen shuts off after a few seconds to save on battery life. But all you gotta do is tap it and it'll come back up. Yep. Oh. Alright, so I've already gone through the nail or whatever it is that was in there that is no longer there. So I've taken the tire tool, and they used to come with 2 different tools. Now they make it to where it's all one. I don't have to worry about reaming the tire out with a different tool. Push that plug in there, turn that bad boy around a little bit, and boom, that's how you plug a tire. Now we do need to cut the excess off. You want to do the honors of that, kiddo? You're good? Alright. Oh, is that the neighbor's dog?
It is the neighbor's dog.
The black one?
Which one?
They're both black, aren't they?
Yep.
Hey, sweet puppies. Alright. That should do. And that's it. You can... You're learning.